Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day. We have a huge box here and inside is something truly magical that we've been waiting for. For weeks we've been talking about getting a big kid bike and the day has finally arrived. Are you ready to see what's inside? Let's get this thing open. Alright, here we go. Check out the sparkling blue frame, it looks like it's been dipped in stardust, and these handlebars have these cool shimmering grips. They say this is the Enchanted bicycle, and honestly, it looks the part. It's got these little star decals all over it, and the bell. Listen to this! It sounds like a little fairy chime. It's the perfect size, and I can't wait to see the look on his face. Let's get it all set up and ready for its first adventure. The instructions seem pretty straightforward, so this shouldn't take too long. A few turns of the wrench here and voila! The enchanted bicycle is ready to ride. Okay, the moment of truth has arrived. He's got his helmet on and he's seeing his new bike for the very first time. Look at that smile. He's hopping on, a little wobbly at first, but his feet are on the pedals. Here we go, a little push to get started. And he's off. He's pedaling all by himself, cruising down the path like he's been doing it his whole life. It's like the bike knows exactly what to do, guiding him along. He's laughing and ringing that little bell. This isn't just his first bike ride. It's the start of so many wonderful adventures. Seeing that pure joy is just the best feeling in the world. What a magical day. Thanks so much for sharing this incredible moment with us. It's memories like these that are truly priceless. If you enjoyed watching this little bit of magic, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe Magic Animations for more family adventures. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.